and I'm very excited for this video, and we are
Spottedmotors. And today we've got what we've got to.
We've got an Audi Quattro. Now I am super excited about this, and I was excited. Now I'm here, and I've got more and more excited about it. Just walking around this thing, I've just fell in love with it. It's everything that I think the car should be. It's retro, it's cool, it just ticks all the boxes for me.
Yeah,
it ticks all the boxes, and it is probably cool. So, what year is this one?
1988.
Yeah.
So it's the 2.2 turbo.
2.2 turbo, 5-cylinder.
5-cylinder.
And it's a single cam.
Single cam, yeah.
Yeah. They also did a 2.1, and the slightly newer ones are 20 valve, is that right, Michael?
Yeah, they've got a 20 valve one, yeah.
We think, because there's so many sort of like engine specs on the Google, but we think this is 165.
We think, yeah, we question ourselves on that, haven't we?
Yeah, so if anyone out there knows, definitely let us know.
Yeah.
We think it's 165. I'm gobsmacked, I absolutely love it. Flared arches, that really sort of pointed, like square front end on it. I just absolutely love this thing. And it's got some really cool features on it as well, isn't it?
Foreign age, 1988.
Yeah, I'm just going to peek inside. It's got air conditioning, it's got heated seats, Michael, digital dash.
Digital dash, which does it talk to you? We don't know.
Yeah, I'm sure that there was talking version, and again,
it wasn't kit, was it?
No, it wasn't that one. But yeah, I mean, it's got electric windows. It's a proper kitted out car. This was a car back in the day.
Oh,
even more so
I think
now.
You'll struggle to get over one of these now, won't you?
Yeah, there's not many for sale for a start, and the ones that are for sale are definitely like creeping. Well, not creeping up in value. They're shooting up in value, and I can fully see why.
Yeah, I mean, this is a project.
Yeah.
It's in for work. It's not, can't start running. It doesn't start.
Yeah, it's a non-runner.
It's a non-runner. But I tell you, we'll get it running amongst the rest of the work, which we'll show you in a minute, show you exactly what we're going to do. And yeah.
But it just leads us on to like a follow-up video once it is running. Once you've got it rolling. Because it is due for a lot of work. It's entirely on a full restoration on this car. But it's going to be well worth it. Because like
it's a long-term project.
Try and find one.
Yeah.
Michael, should we put the bonnet? Now you can see she's been standing a little bit, and there's sort of bits.
Plugs out, injectors out.
Yeah.
Customer said it's had a new K-Jet unit fitted, but there's a story behind it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
We'll get to the bottom of it, and we'll figure it out, and we'll get it running.
And like you say, it's worth the time to do it, because the first thing I said to you is just, what's it sound like, didn't I?
Yeah.
Because I've got the sound of it in my head, and I just can't wait to hear it. That 5-cylinder sort of noise. I think you can tell I'm excited about this one. So Michael's got, I wouldn't say he's got his work cut out, but he's definitely got to do a little bit of a little bit of graft on this one to get it going. Like you say, the fuel line underneath's not connected.
I think from the tank forwards, this full fuel system is going to have to be gone through.
Yeah.
That's the first job, among many other things.
Yeah.
Brakes, suspension. First thing first, get it running.
Let's get it up and running. So if that isn't a reason to stick around and subscribe to this channel, I don't know what else is. We want to hear this 2.25 the turbocharged German quality fire up. I'm probably pumped aren't I?
You can't tell. And we're not saying about this car, are we? The displacement of this engine.
Yeah.
How far forward and how far to the right and front of the car is.
Yeah.
How did it ever work?
Yeah, if you look, like the front of the engine is like, I mean, what's that? 6 inches, Michael?
That's.
Is it 6 inches? It's 6 inches in my eyes. But it's so far forward. It's banked over this way as well, and
I mean, like a lot of the weight is there.
Yeah.
Not a lot here.
It's over the front wheels, isn't it?
Over the wheels, yeah.
But these were such a good rally car.
Yeah, they were.
I mean, they won the World Rally Championship in 82, 83, and 84. And they're just known for rallying. They're just known for just
like being, you can just imagine the sound.
Yeah.
Watching all the old rally things. Imagine what this is going to sound like.
Yeah. This is going to be absolutely awesome.
So we'll have a little walk around it. Look round, and I'll chuck it on the ramp. I'll have a look underneath so I can show you a bit more.
Absolutely.
condition it's coming.
Yeah.
I haven't touched it. This is how it's come off the trailer.
Yeah.
So, and as we progress, we'll do a few more videos on the way.
Absolutely awesome. I love the sound of it myself. I think I'll watch them ones, mate. So it's obviously got a bit of livery on it.
Yeah. The plan is for that to stay. I know it's going back to pearl white.
Yeah.
Basically.
But look at them arches. The camera probably won't pick them up, but they're just, you just don't get stuff like that anymore.
You'd think that was a kit, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you
wouldn't think
really
that
would.
was standard, would you?
Because they are absolutely perfect. They're hard as nails. Absolutely love it. And even they do sit quite bulky at the back, and the spoiler really adds to that as well. The camera obviously won't pick it up, but that is that's the original colour, isn't it? The sort of pearl white.
Yeah, it proper shows up the spoiler, doesn't it?
Yeah. And Lee pointed this out as well, and I'm going to say it again. I don't think the camera will pick it up, but it's got the Quattro built into the sort of rear, the heated rear windscreen. It just things like that, isn't it? Absolutely.
Just stuff like that they don't do anymore, do they?
No, loving it. We've got to show you the interior as well, because I think the interior is really nice. So tartan seats, and obviously it's got a few parts laid inside.
It's been for 5 years.
Yeah.
Outside this car, it hasn't been stored the way
You want it, yeah.
you want it to be, but
It just adds to sort of what we're going to do with the videos and stuff like that, so you can see. Oh, you connecting the battery, Michael?
put the dash on there.
Oh, this is a treat. That's what we were saying. I mean, look at that.
The alarm's going off.
Digital dash.
Digital dash.
And I'm
And it's got some kit on it, hasn't it? I mean, look at it all.
yeah.
It's all.
I mean, we're not experts on it, but that diff button obviously does something.
Obviously alters something, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like we said, it's got aircon, it's got heated seats, electric windows. It's very well kitted out.
It's just.
But I'll tell you what, this car has got heated seats. My 2010 Audi A5 hasn't got freaking heated seats. So Audi, what were you playing at there?
You don't like that?
Love it, absolutely love it. Are you ready? Are you going?
Yeah, we're on. We haven't stopped.
Oh, Spottedmotors is underneath.
An Audi Quattro. My first time underneath an Audi Quattro. And I like it. I like it. I mean, Quattro, obviously, four-wheel drive, and absolutely legendary in the rally world. And I'm terrible with facts, but I think the only car to beat a four-wheel drive was the Lancia 037. I'm sure of it. That was the only two-wheel drive car that I've ever beat the sort of four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
And since then, it's just been four-wheel drive all the way.
Drive
So
all the
this car changed the way rally
was, yeah.
it really did. And
It's iconic,
It's
isn't
all to
it?
do with this. Big dirty prop shop.
And now Audi Quattro is all the way out.
Yeah, everyone knows the Quattro for being like the big safe sort of get you out of the snow once a year, where this thing was just to get you around.
So as you can see, it has been stood. It's been stood outside.
Yeah.
It's not very pretty under here.
But it's not scary though, is it,
It's
Michael?
not scary. It's not rotten. It's surface rust.
Yeah.
The customer does want all these arms. Every suspension component is going to get replaced. All the brakes sorted, gone through, replaced what needs to be replaced. This is how the fuel. So this would be the feed to the fuel pump. This is how it's coming. Like I say, we haven't touched this car. Fuel pump's hanging off.
Yeah, you've got a little bit of
So for me, it's tank out, clean the tank out, see what's inside the tank, and fully redo this fuel system.
Yeah.
All the fuel lines. I mean, you couldn't put any fuel pressure in them anyway, could you? That's obviously burst at some point and had a repair done. So it'll get a full new fuel line, fuel system, suspension, brakes, the full works really. Mechanically,
It's going to go top to bottom on it.
Yeah. And then the plan is to strip it and take all the underseal off it and paint the underside of the car in the pearl white, the same as the
Oh, really?
exterior. Yeah, so this will be a full.
Oh, so it's going to be a proper nice thing then.
Full, yeah. I'd say a show car. He wants to use it daily,
Yeah.
in fair weather.
But while you're going through all the hardship of working underneath it, you may as well get it right.
Yeah.
You know, from the get-go.
Yeah, like I said before, first thing, let's get it running.
Yeah.
See what what problems that brings up.
And we're definitely going to bring you all of this as well, because, like I say, I think you can tell we're pretty pumped about it. So it'd be nice to take you on the journey as well.
So
yeah, this is a nice one. This is a good one, isn't it? We've seen the sump so far up, like you said about the
far forward.
Yeah. There's obviously a lot to do with this big differential that's sat there as well. Absolutely awesome. I could just poke my head around here all night. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. If I wasn't a poor man, I think I'd be on the eBay tonight. I'd be looking for one.
See what you find, and let me know
how much they are.
Let our fans know how much they are.
Personally, I think these cars done, I think you'd be paying 35 grand for one.
Yeah,
I think you'd be paying that for these cars nowadays.
Yeah.
There's not much for sale, so I think when there's not much for sale, you know, you can sort of ask what you want for them. But I do think they're worth that. I mean, you look what like 3-door Sierra Cosworth are going for now. You look what Merc 190 Cosworths are going for now.
They've gone stupid.
Yeah, these sit in that league. They can definitely compete with them, and I think they're sort of sneaking around prices now where they're just going to go through the roof.
Yeah. And if this was a short wheelbase.
Oh my god, yeah. We're talking 6-figure figures, wouldn't you?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
But we're chucked to bits to have this in, and all the work is going to be done in-house by the master mechanic Michael down at Bill Inghams. Yeah. And a big shout out as well to Bill Inghams, because like you say, he lets us put the camera around, he lets us get right in all the nooks and crannies.
And also the owner, Carl Farrar.
Yeah.
Check him out on Insta and Facebook.
And YouTube as well.
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah, he's Michael, you know him a little bit better than me, but I'm sure
he's a pro drifter, isn't he?
Yeah, I've watched a couple of his videos and whatnot.
Yeah, he's well known in the drift scene.
Yeah.
I think he's been up there, he is up there.
Yeah.
In the championship and what have you. So,
and
real nice lad.
Hopefully we can get him on the channel.
Well, hopefully, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't get us with him on our channel.
Yeah, more the case, yeah. But that'd be fantastic, awesome. Well, yeah, I like this a lot. So while we say goodbye, I think I'll have a little sniff around it. Yeah. But as always, please get involved, get subscribed, like the video, comment on the video. We're more than happy to chat back and everything like that. Yeah. We're absolutely loving like that.
Any feedback's welcome in it.
Yeah,
feedback,
like
whatever.
That.
We take it all on board.
Yeah. We know where we stand with the camera and the audio. That is in work in progress. Me and Michael aren't technology howie, so it's all pretty new to us. But just get involved, get subscribed, get us growing. And as always,
thanks very much for watching.
We've been
Spottedmotors.